All right, this is the Zippo pack where you get one 12-ounce can, 2 Wicks, and 12 Flints. I want to show you it arrived very safely, but when you get this, just to let you know, there's no seal on here. So once you open this up, it's ready to go. It will come right out of there. You don't want to think that it's sealed on top. So refilling your Zippo is pretty simple. You just open it up, flip this tab, pull this out, and you can see there's a hole right there. Basically just stick that in there and saturate it. And we get this up here close so you can see it. You'll see it start to become saturated. Maybe leak out the sides a little. That's it, you're done. Make sure you close this up when you're done. Stick it back in, push it down, flip your latch over, you're ready to go. Now, if you want to replace a Flint on here, these packs come in packs of 6. You can see there's 2 Flints inside of this old one here. There's a little notch cut out right here. You just work it into there, spin this around carefully, and it will fall out, and then you have to go find it. So that's how that works. Let me put this back in there. Do the same thing you did before. There's a screw right here. You just unscrew this, pull this out, knock it to make sure the old Flint's out there. Just drop the new Flint in, screw this back on. Not super tight, just, snug, good to go. Now, if you have to replace a wick, you may not actually have to replace your wick. You can see this one's getting black here. These wicks are actually about 4 inches long. You may be able to just get a pair of pliers and pull this up, reach down in there and cut off the old wick part, and you'll still have plenty of wick left in there. You should be able to do that 3 or 4 times before you actually have to replace a wick. If you do have to replace a wick, you're going to take it out like this, take this screw out, take the Flint out, make sure you don't lose it. You're going to take out this felt, and inside of there is like 3 pieces of cotton or so packing material. You're going to pull all that out, and you're going to have access. You can either push it down from the top, or you can push it down from the bottom. Pull it out, fold it over to the side, have the wick out here. You're going to put 1 piece of packing material in, fold the wick over, put another piece in, fold the wick over, put another piece in, fold the wick over, and then put the felt back on. Simple as that. There you go. That's how you do it. Zippo.